How to save videos on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily save different posts and videos on Facebook. So the very first thing you want to do is open up Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. So let's say if I want to save this post, what I can do is just tap on the three dots right on top of the post, and then you'll get all of these pop-ups. And from this list, you just want to find the option to save post. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll find it on your saved post. If you want to create a collection, you could do that as well. I'll just click on saved on only me. And you can tap on it to view all of your saved posts as well. Now you can do the same thing for other stuff like this as well, like these videos. I can just tap on it. And then once you have your reel or any other video open, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. This pop-up will appear. Now just tap on save reel and it will be saved for you. I'll show you one more time. To save the reel, tap on the three dots, then tap on save this reel. Now in order to view your saved post, you can go over to the menu section at the top right. And from the menu, you will find your saved banner right over here. Tap on it and you'll find all of your saved posts and reels. You can even filter them out. If you just want reels, tap on reels. If you just want posts, tap on posts, and you can also do marketplace items. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.